F2L is a very tricky thing to learn, but when you actually master it, it is very effective and it lowers the time of many people, like by a lot. So, this is my attempt to make it as easy as possible for beginners to learn. So, there are F2L algorithms available, but to get started, we don't need those algorithms. So what is F2L? Well, F2L is we pair the corner and the edge up like this. Yeah, these might not look paired, but I will show you how they are paired in a second. We air the we pair the edges and the corners, and we insert them in the right slot. So it is quite different from beginner inserts, and let's start. So this is the most basic case, and if the edge and the corners top colors are opposite, then you have this case. Then we just get them in their respective centers, like the beginner insert, and we just do this R U R prime. As you can see, we have inserted the corner. Now you need to learn this insert with the left hand and the right hand also, because these are pretty common and are the easiest. Now the second case is when the top colors are matching. So again we'll bring the corner where it is above where it's supposed to be. In my case it's supposed to be here, so I'm putting it here. Then what we are going to do is push it where we can still see the corner, but it is not in the front, and we'll then hide the corner behind like this, so that this edge shows up, and then we'll do U2 so that these two colors pair up, this orange and this orange. When I bring this back down, these two pair up, and now we will just insert it as we did in the beginner method. And we now go into our fourth case, which is when the white corner is facing up. So when the white corner is facing up, we need to find its edge first, and its edge is here. So I'll just bring this up without disturbing this corner, and when the corner has a white side up, then we look at the colors of the edge it needs to pair with. In my case it's red and blue, and I'll look at this color which I am facing right now, blue, and I'll match it with the centerpiece, its corresponding centerpiece, and then I'll face the face the upper color, which is on the top. In my case it's red, and then I'll hide the edge this time again like this, opposite to the color it needs to go with, and then I'll just align it so that these get paired, bring it back, and then insert it normally. So when your corner is in the bottom layer, we'll just simply take it out and then find its edge. So this edge is here, and as you can see it's already paired, and then we'll just align it, and this time it's a left insert, so be sure to learn that. Okay, so those were the basic cases, and there is one more case that I'll be discussing now, and in this case the corner and the edge are attached together. So when you do the normal thing which we are supposed to do, like we're going to match the edge piece with the centerpiece, the color of the edge piece with the centerpiece, and then move it away so that now this gets disrupted. So In this situation, what you need to do is that we just have to find a way to split these corners up. So what we need to do, since this is on my left hand side, the corner is on my left hand side, I'll do this so that I can separate the corner and the edge. One way to remember how things are paired is that the edges are never supposed to be on the side of the white color. Like the edge will never be on one second. So the edge this edge will never be on this side. Should never be on this side or the opposite side to that. So the edge piece, the white color should, like, the white color is the deciding factor of this. So let's scramble up this cube and I'll show you an example F2L solve. As you can see, the cube is thoroughly scrambled, if my camera focuses. And now let's form the cross. I'll just form the cross. The cross is formed. And now let's look at these pieces. So this is actually really obvious. I got really lucky there. So so this is inserted in the wrong pair, in the wrong slot. So I'll just take this out and these two remain with each other, and I'll just insert it like I do a normal corner. Then I'll then this is this case, the red blue edge and the red blue corner. I'll move it so that I can still see the corner, and this is already paired, so I'll just do this R prime. Now I look for the orange and green corner. Okay, I bring the orange and green corner to the orange and green centerpiece where it's supposed to be. Then I'll do setup move so that I can still see the white corner, but it's hidden. Move away the corner so that I can set this piece up. Get this corner to pair with this color and then insert it. And now 3 of the 4 edge pieces are solved, and I'll just bring this corner where it's supposed to be, hide it so that I can still see the corner but it's hidden. And this is already paired, so I got really lucky this solve. I don't know if I get that lucky in normal solves. I don't know why I don't get that lucky in normal solves. And just do this. As you can see, we have solved the first 2 layers. Yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions at all or any suggestions at all, feel free to leave those in the comments. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.